Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Castle. Today I am going to share a face pack which is specially you can use for summer but customize it accordingly as per the weather, as per your liking. So let's get started with the video. So ingredients which we need for this face pack is besan, which is gram flour, multani mitti. Here I am using ice multani mitti, rose water, milk, honey and cucumber juice. I am using ready-made cucumber juice, but you can use homemade cucumber juice. After grating the cucumber, you can use the juice also. To customize this face pack as per the season, like in winter you can use honey because it will make your skin moisturized, supple and smooth. But in summer you can skip honey. I am using milk, but oily skin people in summer can avoid milk. You can use lemon juice or tomato juice instead of milk. Or you can simply skip milk and only use cucumber juice and rose water for this pack. So I am starting with putting 1 tablespoon of multani mitti, 1 tablespoon of besan, a little bit more of besan. Honey you can skip. I am using rose water first. 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of milk, not more than that. 1 teaspoon of milk. In summer, milk will make our skin more oily if we put more milk. I am using a little bit of honey, just a pinch of honey. You can see. That's all. Now I will mix all these ingredients. And after that I will add the cucumber juice. You can see the consistency. You can add rose water, milk, lemon juice, whatever you like in this to make it thin. Okay. I will little bit of cucumber juice because it's summer and I like its fragrance, so that's why I am using cucumber juice. Okay, now it is ready to apply on your face. This consistency I like for applying on face and body, and you can add more rose water or cucumber juice if you like runny consistency of pack, but I like this. So after applying this, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes minimum. You can keep it for 25 minutes maximum. After that, wash your face with cold water. So please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video.